Now let us talk about next topic we have to study, that is strong electrolyte and weak electrolyte. Electrolyte you have already studied, that is those substances which on dissociation produces ions and they conduct electricity in aqueous or molten state. Now this electrolyte is of two types. First one is strong electrolyte. As the name indicates itself, strong in the sense it dissociate completely. Okay, it dissociate completely to produce ions. Okay, dissociate completely means it produces large number of ions. It dissociate easily in aqueous or molten form. Now another one is weak electrolyte. It dissociates but not completely, so we call it dissociates partially. Okay, it dissociate partially means not completely, dissociate partially to produce ions. Okay, first point clear. It is first one is strong electrolyte, dissociate completely. Weak electrolyte dissociates partially to produce ions. Now in a strong electrolyte, since it dissociates completely, it contains larger number of ions. Okay, it contains larger number of ions. So ions available for conduction of electric current is more in case of strong electrolyte. Now coming to weak electrolyte, point number 2, it contains lesser number of ions for conduction of electric current. Now let's talk about examples of strong and weak electrolyte. So here example is all strong acid, example HCl, and all salts formed by strong acid and strong base, HCl, NaCl, KCl, H2SO4, sulfuric acid. All these are examples of strong electrolyte. Now let's talk about weak electrolytes, all organic acids, example acetic acid, formic acid, then our tap water, then ammonium hydroxide. These are examples of weak electrolytes. So you have to remember this differentiation along with example. So underline this one, contains lesser number of ions and this contains larger number of ions, and examples you have to remember.